Okay, so this is a blog. You can easily go over it, and you can even zoom in and zoom out to read better in the blog. So right here we talk about Harriet Tubman. There's like facts. Also, this is a very helpful blog. It tells you about her life, and it also provides you with a video. You just click on it and it plays automatically. So those that fail to learn from history are doomed to repeat it. I really like this quote from Winston Churchill from 1874 to 1965. So the newspaper. What did you find interesting about the newspaper? Write one paragraph using race. We already explained what race means. So we're going to click on the newspaper article, and it shows you the steps right here. Click on the newspaper article. Make sure you answer and submit your work. Now we're waiting for the newspaper to load. So the newspaper that will be given to you using history will always be through Scholastic. So this article I really like. It's 50 years at lunch counter sits in. So it's in American history is everyone's story, says a journalist, and then you can read the newspaper of what it's about. It's basically about the importance of Black History Month. It's a little bit, it's not too much to read. Okay, the history quiz. The history quiz will only be 6 questions. It's going to be on responding through race. And these questions will be based on the reading we did in class. So this quiz, you're able to use other resources, go back to the reading that we did in class, in history. And then the last activity we have is the virtual reality. Okay, so the virtual reality, the filters that will be done in class. We're going to use Second Life, and here's a picture of Ms. Gonzalez right here showing you where we're going to the destination based on history, on maybe an article that we read in class. And of course, we're going to download the Second Life. And we're going to go to the Second Life so you guys can see how it looks like. So we're going to log in. We're going to do this during class. You're going to create an account. So the account will be created during class. We're going to create an account using Google account because the school provides you through a Google account. So the Google account will have your user ID number and then the password that will be given to you, and it's easier to make, and we will go together and to the meetings that we're supposed to go in Zoom, and I will explain to you more in class. And this course is through Moodle course, and during class we're going to create our account through Moodle course. We're going to show you how to get into Moodle course, how to create it, how to create a password. It will probably take us at least a day to get familiar with this website. We're going to practice using this website during class. Before you go home, you're going to have a better understanding getting to Moodle course when you're at home. And your parents can help you with this online course, because it is important for you guys to improve on reading, math, writing, and history, so you can move on to the next grade level, and these are additional sources for you to improve your grade and to help you improve on whatever you need to improve and work on those skills. And this concludes my Moodle course. So remember, welcome to this Course Smart class. Thank you and have a wonderful day.